guys, Tegan from Tentworld Online. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Companion Portable Propane Heater. These heaters are a great addition to your winter camping, or even if you want to use them outside around the outdoor table. The unit comes with 2 heat settings and also has a piezo ignition starter. The best feature about this little unit is that it has a low oxygen depletion sensor, meaning that the unit will shut off once it detects low oxygen in the air. The other great feature about this unit is the tilt sensor. This feature is great for when kids are around, as when the unit is knocked over, it automatically cuts out, eliminating any disasters. Now for the important info. How the unit runs. This unit can run on the disposable gas canisters, or you can purchase the 3/8 gas hose or a POL gas hose for your longer trips. This heater is available online and in store now.